To Cecelia O's YouTube channel. Good morning, beautiful. How are you doing today? I hope you're enjoying yourself and your day. In today's video, I'll be doing another healthy drink, and this healthy drink can be taken in the morning. And to make this healthy drink, I'll be using few ingredients, and some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's healthy drink are rich in vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, and also anti-inflammatory properties that can help us boost immunity, that can help us decrease aging, that can help us increase longevity. And what am I doing today? I'm actually making avocado drink today. And to make this avocado drink, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. I will be using this avocado frozen, 1 cup of avocado, using 1 banana. In this cup is 100% milk. I'll be using this milk to blend this. Probiotic yogurt. Probiotic yogurt is good for the gut. If you want to have healthy microorganisms in your stomach that can prevent pot belly, bloating, that can help your gut, that can help your system, you need to incorporate probiotic into your daily diet. So I'll be using 1 glass cup of this healthy probiotic yogurt to blend. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Cecelia O's YouTube channel, and on this channel I discuss a lot about how to make healthy drink, how to make healthy diet, how to do different DIY life hack that can save you money, how to do different DIY beauty hack that can give you a glow natural skin, also how to do different DIY home decoration and budget. So I love you. So the first ingredient I'll be putting in this blender is actually going to be the probiotic yogurt. So I dump the probiotic yogurt in the blender. Then I'm going to put the banana. This drink is going to be for 2 people. I'll be adding 1 medium size of frozen avocado. I'll be adding a full glass cup of milk to blend. I'm going to blend this now. Get this drink within 5 minutes, and you can take it with you to your office. The first ingredient is the avocado, followed by banana, probiotic yogurt, and also milk. And this is ready. Please try this out and let me know what you think. Until next time, when I will come your way, it's still your girl. I love you. And remember, God loves you. Bye for now.